If one of your front lights went out on your Chevy Impala, first thing you're going to do is open your hood up. Unsure how to open your hood? Click the link at the top right of the screen or the link at the end of the video. And then you're going to come in here, and right behind the light you're going to see this bubble. We're going to just grab a hold of that. We're going to just twist it to the right, and then that's going to pop free. So now we have gotten that cap off. We have our light right here. I'm just going to grab this and spin up, and that's going to allow us to pull this light assembly out. So now that we've removed this light, all we need to do is there's a tab right here. We're going to lift up on this tab and pull. And that will separate our light. And then we will take our new light, and we're going to not touch the glass. Make sure you do not touch the glass on these halogen bulbs. And then we're just going to push this back in until we hear a pop or a click. There we go. And then we're just going to stick this back in there, put it in, twist it back into place, twist that down. Once we have that down, is you see those wires? We do want to make sure that we get those wires in there and out of the way, so that when we put our cap back on, they don't interfere. And just twist it backwards until it pops into place, and then twist to tighten. This also works on the driver's side, but it's a lot tighter fit, so you may want to use rubber gloves. And then the last step after tightening that down is to turn your lights on. Make sure it works, and this one does. So we are all done, and as always, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. This is a 2019 Chevrolet Impala.